I literally wrote this down because I had a feeling it might come up today. I have an exercise I made this morning that is like very similar to this. Is it cool if I show it to you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it yet, and this is like horrible chicken scratch. It'd be funny if the camera sees it. So yeah, I wrote this exercise this morning because I don't know. I guess I had a feeling you were gonna ask. No, I don't know. Yeah, this is me attempting to integrate something currently. So basically, these are just a set of chord changes that I like. They're a little like slightly classical in nature, but as I've gotten older, I've realized it's actually the same. Like, you know, especially as I get into like more Barry Harris stuff. And anyway, but here's the chord change. Basically, I start off in B flat, and I'm gonna play just a bunch of like triads I really like, especially ones that I don't think about enough. Like, so it goes like this. It's a B flat, that's one chord. Then we're gonna play the 5 of the 6, which is, you know, D7, but with A in the bass. Then we'll get to G minor. And then I'll play the flat 6 in the bass. And this is like the 4 minor. And then this is, you know, the 5 in the bass, the 1 over the 5. And then we've got like the 5 over the 4, taking us to the 3, you know. And I originally wrote this with like G minor over D, but I'm gonna actually play this the way I was mentioning, which is like playing a 1 chord with a 3 in the bass, like B flat. And so, yeah, yeah, I think in the past I would do a lot of exercises like this, you know. Anyway, the way this ends is kind of cool. I go back to the flat 6 in the bass again, and then I just go up a half step. This becomes a B chord with a 5 in the bass, and then I just play a bunch of other. And then it's just fancy stuff I could explain, or maybe people watching can just slow that down and watch if they want. And then I go up a half step and I do it up here now. What would it be? I haven't learned this yet, so. Right, and then we get to C. Anyway, yeah, like, especially in the last 3 or 4 years, like not playing Chopin per se, but like learning Chopin chord changes, and then doing exercises like this has been a really good way for me to integrate. So like, yeah, having some sort of exercise and then some sort of like tune, like knowing how to play it in tunes. And for me, that's ballads. I'm playing ballads all day long. Yeah.
Dude, that's so beautiful. And what I love about it is that you basically, to integrate, you created an incredibly musical context, a really musical exercise or example, right?
Yeah. Understanding something is liking it, is loving it.